Okay, Brandon, got your radio here on the bench. I think I got it. It was a cold solder joint. Well, it's up underneath this thing here now. But it's where the voltage was coming for the clarifier. There was a cold solder joint under there so that when you started talking or when you moved the clarifier, it would change frequency. So, and as you talked, it would change frequency. So that's probably why it sounded like crap. But I've got you on my bench radio now.
Hello, audio. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio test. Testing 1 2 3 4 5.
Yeah, I probably need to touch up the clarifier just a little bit. Hang on a second.
Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio testing. Testing audio. Audio. Hello, audio. Getting a little too close. Getting some feedback there. Audio testing. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. So I got the RF gain cut way back on that radio. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio testing. Testing audio. Audio 1 2 1 2 audio. Hello, audio. That's mic gain all the way up. Power all the way up. And your clarifier is at 12 o'clock. So when you tune them in, you should be right on frequency with them. Audio, hello, audio. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Hello, 1 2 1 2, hello. 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. You can see it sounds great. Getting a little bit of feedback there, a little bit of echo, but it's working good. All right, I'm going to get her boxed up and shipped back to you. Sorry it took me so long to get to it.
I don't know if you could understand that or not, but I was saying sorry it took me so long to get to it, but I'm going to put it back together and get it boxed up and shipped out to you. Thank you, Brandon.